The 15 Best Vitamins for Men, Part 1. In today's video, we will show you the 15 best vitamins for men, and I'll give you a heads up that number 8 will surprise you. Number 15. Supradyn Energy Extra, well known in the United States and considered by many to be Bayer's best multivitamin. Bayer, for those who don't know, is a global leader in the pharmaceutical sector. They produce various products, ensuring reliability and satisfaction. This multivitamin supplement is enriched with around 12 vitamins, including antioxidants and nutrients that support energy metabolism, aiding in workouts. Additionally, it contains about 9 minerals and coenzyme Q10, a powerful natural antioxidant. Number 14. Glor Multi-FFF 450. This supplement is an exceptional option and is considered by many to be the best value supplement in the United States. It offers a comprehensive mix of vitamins and minerals at a lower cost, ideal for those looking for a large supply as it can last up to a year. It contains various vitamins such as A, B, C, D, 3, and E. It is important to note that its composition includes several essential minerals for the body, such as calcium, zinc, and biotin. These components help strengthen the immune system, reduce fatigue during workouts and daily exercises, and also promote bone health. This vitamin supplement has been tested by various experts and is 100% gluten-free, lactose-free, and preservative-free, which facilitates absorption by the body. Undoubtedly, it is one of the best options available on the market, considering the cost-benefit. Number 13. Multivitamin, Centrum for Men. This is one of my favorite supplements and is a great choice for those looking for a more comprehensive supplement, offering around 14 vitamins and 12 essential minerals. Although it is slightly more expensive than some other supplements I will mention in this list, in my experience, I find it worth the investment and offers excellent value for money. An important tip is that you can save money by buying larger packs. This way, you get a discount on the purchase, which further improves the cost-benefit ratio. This supplement was specifically created to meet the nutritional needs of men over 40. Centrum for Men comes in bottles of 60 tablets, providing a supply for about 2 months. Its composition includes thiamine and biotin, which are important for energy metabolism, and vitamin C, which helps strengthen the immune system, especially if you have a weaker immune system due to the cold in the United States. If you are looking for a complete and effective supplement, Centrum for Men might be the right choice for you at a reasonably average cost. Number 12. Nature-Made Multivitamin for Him. Known as one of the most popular multivitamins in the United States, Nature-Made Multivitamin for Him is ideal for 40-year-old men looking to maintain their body health. This supplement contains around 22 essential nutrients, including vitamins A, C, D, and E, which are crucial in our daily lives, and minerals such as magnesium and selenium. The highlight of this supplement is that it is free from artificial colors, preservatives, and gluten, making it ideal for those with intolerance to these components. Additionally, it is formulated to meet men's specific needs, helping to keep the heart functioning properly and the immune system and muscles healthy. It is a complete and extremely effective supplement for daily use. Number 11. Thorn Research Basic Nutrients. Today. This multivitamin includes several vitamins such as A, C, D, E, and K, as well as a complex of B vitamins. It is also highly recognized for its purity and effectiveness after use. We recommend taking 2 capsules per day, preferably with meals, breakfast, lunch, or dinner. This multivitamin is ideal for men seeking a concentrated and high-quality formulation, focused on providing essential nutritional support efficiently without spending too much. It offers good value for money compared to others on the market. Number 10. One a day. Men's 50 Plus. Although one a day, Men's 50 Plus is specifically formulated for men over 50. It is on our list because it is widely used by men in their 40s who have started using it to prevent various diseases. Therefore, we recommend using it before age 50 as a preventive measure. This supplement is an excellent choice for supporting the maintenance of healthy blood pressure with age, as well as aiding heart health and providing energy throughout the day. It is enriched with essential vitamins such as B12, C, D, and E, as well as important minerals for the body, such as calcium and magnesium, which are crucial for overall well-being. If you are looking for a reliable supplement from a well-established brand, one a day. Men's 50 Plus is an option that offers safety and effectiveness to help preserve your health as you age. This is the ideal supplement for you. And remember our tip. Use it before age 50 as a preventive measure and consult a nutritionist first. Before we continue, please subscribe to our channel and like this video if it's helping you. Also, join our member network, where we will share more tips like this. The link will be in the first pinned comment. Number 9. Rainbow Light. Men's 1 Multivitamin. Rainbow Light. Men's 1 is a 1 capsule per day multivitamin known for its easy digestion and stomach gentleness. It is one of the best choices for men in their 40s looking for a complete supplement. Besides providing energy every day, especially if you train daily, this supplement can help with more energy for morning workouts and aid in digestion of some foods. This is due to the inclusion of probiotics and digestive enzymes in the formula. This multivitamin offers a wide range of essential vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin D, zinc, and magnesium. But it doesn't stop there. It also contains superfoods like spirulina, which support the overall functioning of the body. So if you are looking for a supplement to help with digestion and morning workouts, this is your supplement from the list. Number 8. Centrum Silvermen. 50 Plus. This classic among multivitamins, Centrum Silvermen, is recommended by many experts for men over 40, especially those seeking a palatable supplement that helps care for the heart, brain, and eyes. Besides containing calcium and vitamin D in its formula, which contribute to overall body health, it is enriched with antioxidants like vitamins C and E, which combat free radicals and promote healthy aging over time. Number 7. Garden of Life. Vitamin Code Men. Garden of Life. Vitamin Code. Men is an impressive multivitamin because its composition is raw and organic, without compromising quality compared to others on our list. It meets the specific nutritional needs of men, especially after 40. Its composition is abundant in live probiotics, enzymes, and antioxidants, making it an excellent choice for those seeking digestive and immune support. Additionally, it contains vitamins such as A, C, D, and E, and essential minerals like selenium and zinc, which help maintain cardiovascular health. We recommend consulting your nutritionist before consuming this supplement to determine if your diet needs additional vitamins beyond those provided by this supplement. Number 6. Mega Food Men's 1 Daily. This is the most anticipated supplement on our list, as many were not familiar with it despite being one of the highest quality supplements in the United States. Mega Food Men's 1 Daily stands out for being made with whole and entirely organic ingredients, making it an excellent choice for 40-year-old men who prefer a more natural supplement free from gluten and soy. Besides including vitamins such as D and essential minerals like zinc, which plays an important role in male reproduction, it is the supplement with the highest purity on our list. Number 5. Optimum Nutrition Optim. If you're a bodybuilder over 40, you have probably heard of this supplement, considered a classic in the fitness world. Optimum Nutrition. Optim is highly popular among active 40-year-old men. This multivitamin is enriched with over 60 different ingredients, including a wide range of vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and botanical extracts. Indeed, it is a classic of classics. I can confess that this is my favorite supplement on the list. And you, tell me what your favorite supplement is so far. Optim is ideal for those who are intensely dedicated to the gym with heavy and long workouts. It is an excellent choice for you. Number 4. GNC Mega Men. 50 Plus GNC Mega Men. 50 Plus is a supplement that, although its name suggests it is for men over 50, is often recommended by experts for 40-year-old men looking for a preventive approach to health. This multivitamin helps with heart health, cognitive function, and energy levels throughout the day. If you need a lot of energy during the day, this supplement might help you. Number 3. Kirkland Signature Daily Multi. In our top 3, we present Kirkland Signature Daily Multi, an economical and efficient option with excellent cost-benefit. It takes our third position, offering a formulation composed of vitamins A, C, D, and E, as well as important minerals like calcium, magnesium, and zinc. Number 2. Centrum Men. Number 2 on our list is Centrum Men, as it offers a wide range of vitamins and minerals, including vitamins A, C, D, E, and K, as well as B-complex vitamins, B1, B2, B6, B12. This is one of the best-selling supplements in the United States and one of the most accepted and positively reviewed. Number 1. One a Day Men's Health Formula. With over 4 million units sold this year, One a Day Men's Health takes the top spot. It is known for its balanced formula, which includes a variety of essential vitamins and minerals and is gentle on consumption. Besides helping with prostate health, this is why it occupies number 1 on our list. Let us know in the comments. Did you know any of these vitamin supplements? Which ones have you used, and which ones do you plan to use? We want to know. We'll read all the comments, and be sure to join our community so you don't miss any tips. Thank you for watching.